The Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs organized a 6.5-kilometer run today as part of the promotional activities for the Khelo India University Games 2024. The event started from Nehu campus to Moro Road, Kinton Masar Junction and back to Nehu. The run was flagged off by Colonel Omkar Singh, retired, Registrar of Nehu, alongside John F. Kharshing, Working President of the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, and other dignitaries. Colonel Omkar Singh, retired, Registrar of Nehu, expressed his views on the initiative, emphasizing its significance in promoting athletes on the international stage. This event serves as a testament to Meghalaya's commitment to fostering a culture of sports and encouraging aspiring athletes to reach new heights in their sporting careers.